Lee.
LAV. I will save you.
Could you hurry up?
Fucking got him.
Did you actually? Oh.
Let's look up it.
Back wheel and smash me into Pete.
Oh.
Smash me into Pete.
No,
Oh,
can't smash it.
oh.
Wait, hold on. How the fuck did I get
Nice.
shot? What? I'm sorry, what?
Did I hit you into it?
Wait, hold
Have
on.
done. Hold on. Oh.
Nice. Just all about.
Oh, the blue cap.
Jesus. Wait.
What's up? Wait.
What?
We're gonna go for Delta next.
That's it,
Line
yeah.
Position, push up, hold it.
Oh, okay. Yaroslav just flew in the fucking air. Has to get in,
Yeah.
buddy. Nice. Let's not go to E, because there are 2 tanks there. There's a
one
tank
in
there.
front of us.
Hold shift, Joe. It gives you a boost. Oh, fuck. Joe, tank! Tanks! Water!
Swim, boys, swim.
You fucking liability. Oh, shit.
Johnny's good. So
Yeah, whereabouts?
drop him back after. Well, just in town, probably spoons
Yep.
and then
Goons.
like things or something. But tonight we'll see.
I might be able to join for a few.
Do it,
Yeah.
do it in celebration of Dan's game.
Sounds gay.
Man's gay.
Yeah, did you guys not hear? He's gay.
Don't hate the player, hate the gay.
Nice.
Oh, careful.
I will take one kind leave, my sir. We're gonna all die, Yaroslav.
Yep. We're all doomed. Tank.
Shit!
2 tanks.
I survived.
How come I was the only one died?
Because me and Kyle jumped out and jumped over the bridge.
So, I jumped out as well.
Anybody else hear an air raid siren?
Are we talking on Battlefield or?
No.
Oh, vending machine. We
The
can,
chat has continued being spicy. If you have a look at
Oh,
it.
let's see.
I'm paying attention. We need to gas them.
Forge, forge steel out like that,
okay.
Nice.
Where are we dropping, boys?
Afghanistan.
See if we can die some more.
Afghanistan.
Yeah, slap.
Afghanistan.
Okay, how boys disabled? Off him.
Who's disabled?
Right.
Can we? Hold on.
Later.
Pete, this doesn't feel safe.
I just wanted to quickly check the
I
general
know.
what it says.
Oh, I did.
It's gonna have like a tractor.
Yeah man, at least I got an excuse.
Okay. Oh.
Alright.
Perfectly for Joe.
Sorry, I wanted to see how much it would take to kill you. It turns out it's the. Oh, fuck's sake!
Like 2 balls in a
What did you fall off?
Ah, Kyle. I blame this entirely on you.
I still hear lots of footsteps.
Oh,
Peter!
Sorry! I was being very twitchy.
Oh.
yeah.
Nah, Pete's party.
Get it?
Yeah, I'm Pete's party.
Yes!
No!
No! Oh, that was bull. Right,
yeah.
how do you place shit again? F. There we go.
Yeah.
I put some salt.
You can use voodoo dolls to hurt people. So,
Nice.
Wait, did you just drop a mug, Joby?
No.
nice.
Oh shit, a mug just oh god, a mug's appearing and disappearing. I'm running.
Yeah, that's Kyle.
Oh, is it? Oh, you cock.
That's the crucifix. Oh, it
Oh,
is.
you can get a summoning circle now. Some... Right.
We got EMF 5.
Where are you?
He's throwing stuff at us. What the fuck?
Could be poltergeist.
No, 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 no.
I'm stuck in here with you. He's gonna get like me first, probably.
No, pulling at me because of sanity.
He's throwing a fucking plate. Oh, it's you guys, isn't it? Fuck off.
Nice. I'm in the bad.
Oh shit, it's burning.
Oh, wait, oh, run.
Joe. Joe, no!
Damn it. She's killed you.
Oh, she fucking smashed his head into the cabinet.
I literally threw the Ouija board at Joe and it killed him.
Dan, come look at the So for me,
Fucking hell.
there was smoking in the front room. I could then see Joe like stood there staring, like, Joe, you gotta run. As he grabs his neck and flies head first into the glass.
Jesus Christ. Why is it always me?
What was
Why
that?
do I always die?
Oh,
first?
shit.
Literally,
Destroyed the Ouija
I,
board instantly.
yeah, I threw the Ouija board at Joe and it just killed him. For fuck's sake.
3.
Go. Hang a right.
Hmm.
You're home free.
Yep, I'm trying. Oh, fuck off!
Oh, did I kill you?
I would just like slammed both doors.
Nice.
Sure they're all dead. On the bridge.
Oh yeah.
Across the bridge.
Nice. Yeah, if we head over there. Very nice. Very nice.
Get so
Just make sure they're all dead. On the bridge.
Oh yeah.
Across the bridge.
Nice. Yeah, if we head over there. Very nice. Very nice.
Get so go.
Nice.